Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Personalize. Let's tap. Then let's tap on this option right here, which is showing us our lock screen. Let's tap on it. Here we've got, of course, the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got the list of albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So My Photos, Image Studio, which is available if you will unlock it with your Moto account. So just log in and you will be able to probably create your own wallpaper. Here we've got dynamic wallpapers, which are also pre-installed. However, you have to download them, and those are animated. And here curated images, which are regular solid. Yes, simply regular wallpapers. Just tap on it, and here we have to tap on more wallpapers. It is actually a little bit hidden for some reason, but we've been now transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones wallpapers. Moreover, you need to have the internet connection to be able to actually check them. Because the whole operation of changing the wallpaper is different if it comes to the solid wallpaper or animated one, I'll show you both. So here all we have to do actually is to tap on the specific wallpaper that we would like to apply. Now you can see that we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen. Can tap to edit the photo. We can adjust the position, scale, angle of the photos. So maybe it is not the best idea to use the solid photo, but you can see the whole idea of the customization. So if you are happy with the results, just tap on the stick icon and then tap on Set Wallpaper to apply it on the home screen and the lock screen. If it comes to the animated options, let me go back. I'll pick dynamic, and maybe this one, it's nice. So just tap on it. Our device will download the dynamic wallpaper, and now we can tap on it. So here we've got the information about the wallpaper. We can tap on the preview, so it will appear on the full screen. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can decide where you want to set it, where you want to apply it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.